The successful material for perfect temporaries offers excellent flexural strength and breaking resistance, natural fluorescence and long-term color stability, in addition to easy handling. DMG offers an entire family of products specifically tailored to Luxatemp Star for each step of your temporary restoration. The precise fabrication of aesthetic temporaries is made possible by Luxatemp Star with optimal flow characteristics and high color stability. Luxatemp Glaze and Bond provides for a natural shine without polishing, as well as protecting against plaque. The high-precision cementation is achieved with Tempo Cem NE, featuring easy removal of excess. Aesthetic, custom-fitting, and stable, the Luxatemp family provides for the very highest level in temporary restorations, whether for crowns or bridges, or even demanding veneer treatments.